I wish fanny packs were cooler because they worked out for me. But now you can't wear them and be cool. So I'd rather like loose stuff than and be cool. Hey, let's talk about Barack Obama because, yeah, he's leading in the polls, but for some reason his lead seems to be shrinking. And why is it? It turns out that there's been a poll by the Pew Research people who talked to 1,004 people.
Right.
And they asked them, well, by the way, are you sick of Barack Obama? And 2/3 said, yeah. 48% says, I'm hearing too much about Obama. Only 26% said I'm hearing too much about McCain. And we're still in early August.
And is it shocking, though, if you go to the newsstand, which I encourage you all to do, and you go to the newsstand, every magazine cover has Barack Obama on the cover. Well, and in fairness, I guess this week Time magazine has Barack Obama and John McCain on the cover, but you pick up Rolling Stone.
This is a problem, though. If you're the Barack Obama camp, you can't have your candidate oversaturated in August.
Yeah, well, I'm not so sure that you know, I don't know. I don't think he's oversaturated because obviously the magazine companies are putting him on the cover because they think that's what's going to sell. The minute that it doesn't sell, they will discontinue doing that. But let's look at the poll results. 2/3 of Republicans are the ones who said that they're tired of hearing about him. That's not a surprise. But half of the independents are tired of hearing about him, and 1/3 of his own party members, Democrats, are tired of hearing about him. That, I would be a little concerned inside the Obama camp with those last two figures.
I would love to see how the Pew poll understands, and like what you're talking about, selling magazines, but when he goes on the air, and he'll go on different talk shows, he'll go on The View, he'll go on these different shows, and the ratings go through the roof when he's on these. So if people are so sick of it, then why do ratings go through the roof when he comes on the air?
Here's the thing. The ratings are going higher, but they got to be worried about November. So if you're getting too much of Barack Obama now, what's going to happen if he's on every single day in networks like ours? It could destroy him. I think they have to find a way, number one, to change. I think this single-handedly, Paris Hilton and Britney Spears, that ad single-handedly has pushed Barack Obama away from big crowds because he took its greatest asset, the celebrity aspect, and his fame, and they made it seem like a negative. Now I think you're going to see Barack Obama, but you're going to see him like you just saw him, with his sleeves rolled up, talking to 10 or 20 people rather than the big crowds because they've managed to, on the Republican side, reverse it.
That is an interesting analysis, Brian.
There you
I hadn't
go.
thought of it that way, but that is a very interesting analysis.
So deep and insightful.
And we might not... And it might be
I guess that's what I said.
And it might be till the convention whether or not we see at that huge event at the Invesco Field there on the final night of the convention when he gives his...
55, it's going to be like a Bronco game.
We're going to still see that, although half the tickets are going to go to people from Colorado now.
Yeah, which they said they work so hard out there.
Exactly.